Here we are, folks, up at the Upper Puna woodlot. This woodlot is located in the town of Volcano. Right off the bat, you'll see it's very dense, pretty closed canopy. Our upper story canopy is comprised of mainly two species. We have the mighty koa, like this specimen we have right here, reaching up probably about 50 to 60 feet in the air. And we also have the ohia, its partner. Now that's our upper canopy. It's pretty much solid ohia and koa, but shortly underneath that, our mid-story is comprised up of a lot of different species. A lot of species, including our native ferns. We've got 3 types of native ferns. For example, we have the hapu'u ferns, these large, growing up to 15 feet of trunk. We also have ama'u ferns, and a much rarer species of fern like we have here. This tall species is called the meow fern. Pretty interesting, pretty neat to have it here on our woodlot. All other trees found in our mid-story, other native trees in our mid-story, we have olapa. There's a good example in the distance. We have olapa. But we also have a non-native, invasive, like what we have here. Once again, we have strawberry guava, or AVI. Unfortunate in our native forest. It's being taken over, not taking over, but it's being encroached upon by many non-natives. In our also comprising our mid-story is this little guy right here. Now this is just a seedling, but that is a tibucina, originally brought from Switzerland, I believe, because of their purple flowers. Also in the mid-story we have things like no, that's guava. We have ohelo. We have nio. We have lots of different native species. This woodlot is predominantly native species, but it does have the AVI, our tibucina, and some other non-natives like this guy right here. Sparse, hard to find in this area, but this is a ginger. This type of ginger is called kahili ginger. Don't let its Hawaiian name fool you. It is not a native. It's actually quite invasive up here in Volcano. Well, look around here, folks. Is there a food source for animals? Well, olapa has little berries. Also ohelo. Is there a food source from the AVI? Possibly. Is there cover? Lots of things to ask yourself. If you were an animal, how would you survive in this area? I'd say there's pretty good cover. All sorts of holes and crevices around here. But that's just something to think about. Think about this area when you watch your next video. Compare and contrast the two. But for now, folks, this is Mr. Fitz from the ScienceLabWiki.com signing off.